guys, welcome to the Chef's Girl. Today we're making cantucci, which are almond biscotti.
Biscotti.
Biscotti. They're almond biscuits. It's a very simple recipe, so if I can make it, then you guys can also make it. Okay, Chef Igor, what do we need to make cantucci?
So we need 500 grams of self-raising flour, 250 grams of sugar, 250 grams of almonds, pinch of salt, 1 orange, a little bit of grappa, probably like a shot of grappa, and 4 eggs. 1 egg yolk, we keep it on the side, and we're gonna put on top of the biscotti. Okay? Biscotti.
Yeah. Biscotti. Most people don't have grappa, so what can they use?
If you don't have grappa, you can have whiskey, or if you don't have it, just put half orange juice.
Okay, Chef Igor.
Dai, andiamo.
Are you ready?
Yes. Sugar, we put a pinch of salt. Always put salt in the desserts. Here, on the eggs, we add
Grappa.
Okay, and we add it in the sugar and mix together. So we get the orange, just use that zest. Make sure you wash it very well. If you don't like orange, you can use lemon, or you can even use both. It's up to you. I like orange, and lemon are too expensive at the moment. So we mix a bit here, and now Michela is gonna continue since it's a Michela's proof recipe. Alright, so facciamo i biscotti, yeah. Yes, I'm not sticking together. So get the liquid mix it with the flour. Simple recipe, just put everything, don't worry about it. Dai. No, fuori però la farina. Okay, now clean the fork with your finger and continue with your hands. Yes. Okay, so now it's all together. Now you can add all the almonds in the dough. Yes, good. And mix. You have to keep on mixing until you don't hear anymore the sound of the almonds going everywhere. Another thing, in my kitchen, if someone comes and work with the rings on, I would fire him straight away. And you all are fired. Because you have a ring in both hands. Like,
and if you think that you're going to go to work one day without a ring on, you got another thing coming.
Okay, now you can leave and I finish.
There's just 1 almond left.
You don't touch the ingredients. So when the dough doesn't stick anymore to your hands, see?
That's because it was sticking to my hand.
What we're gonna do now is we add a little flour, so we avoid stick everywhere. Cut it into 3 parts. Okay. Now here I'm gonna roll it. Okay. We don't want all this flour, so we just one around this size. So this is probably like 3 centimeters. If you want, you can even make it bigger, but I like them like that. Alright, we have to leave some space because since it's self-raising flour, it's gonna. Here we have the egg yolk, the left one we have. We add a little water. And we just
Brush them in lightly.
So biscotti in Italian means cooked twice, double cooked. So biscotti, we have to cook them how many times?
Twice.
Okay, we're gonna cook the sausage like that, and after we're gonna cook it cut. Alright, so beautiful filoncini di cantucci. Oven 200 degrees, and we cook them like that for 20 minutes, and after we're gonna check.
Alright, 20 minutes have passed. Let's see how it looks. Ooh.
So what we do straight away is we reduce the temperature 170, and we're gonna let them cool down a little bit.
Look at these massive biscuits. Could I have one just on its own?
You want? We want kind of 2.5 centimeters width, And we're not gonna cut them straight. Like if you want, you can cut them straight, but in Italy they are cut diagonally. See? The almonds are like that. And then you can put them like that. That's yours.
I was thinking, what if I just do it like this?
Miguel,
You're gonna lay them here on a tray.
yeah, as you can
Same
see,
tray. How
usually
fabulous they look. Right, so now we can pop them in the oven. They look so good.
now we'll chuck them in the oven again, like that. And we are gonna cook them for like 15 minutes at 170. This way you can keep them in a container for like months. Like they last so long.
Whoop! Time's up. Let's check them out.
There we go.
Wow,
Nostri biscotti.
they look amazing. A CANTUCCI biscotti.
Still attenta.
Biscotti.
Our cantucci. Now we let them cool down. I'm gonna leave them like that maybe 1 day
Really?
to dry. And after you can eat them if you want now, okay? But
Because I'm having them
I'm
now.
gonna let them dry up a little bit more, and after they're gonna last in a container.
So that's it, a very simple CANTUCCI recipe that you can easily make in your own home. So make sure to check out the recipe on thechefskill.com and send us photos of your creations.